Brunch spots, wine bars, fitness studios, and cozy cafes. Plus, Lake Michigan is just a few minutes away. This location is hard to beat. Welcome to 1323 Maple Avenue in Evanston, Illinois. This is a mid-size elevator building. Let's go check it out. This condo is filled with natural light and a spacious open floor plan. Combination family room and dining room space offers easy access to the deck. Down the hall, there are 2 large and bright bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. The primary suite is your own private oasis, including an updated primary bathroom with heated floors. This condo offers convenient in-unit laundry, plus an added bonus of an attached 2-car garage. This is Evanston at its best, comfortable, walkable, and connected. The best of both worlds and an incredible spot in the heart of it all. A property like this will not last. DM me to schedule a private showing.